All right, we have enjoyed a stretch of quiet weather now for several days, and we've had this persistent pattern of a few showers here and there. Right now, we're high and dry in the FM area, although the clouds continue to really keep skies gray. It's not that full sun, but hey, the temperatures, you would never know it. It's still near the 80-degree mark in Moorhead, 76 at Hector. Wind has been under 10 miles per hour all day, and that does not happen every day here in the FM area. 38 is the dew point temperature, so our air remains very dry. Any raindrops that do form up in those clouds have a tough time making their way all the way down to the ground without evaporating. Temperatures in the 70s up and down the region. As we look from Sisseton, where it's 79, we have that same reading in Grand Forks this hour. A little bit cooler off to the far west in Minot, where we have 66 degrees right now. There are clouds and showers that have moved out of the oil patch right into the central part of the Dakotas right now. A severe thunderstorm warning just issued down in the Black Hills. But for us, nothing severe here. Check this out. A few spotty showers in northeast North Dakota and also along that Highway 200 corridor and points south, not far from Carrington. But the main event's right here where you see the yellows. There's a rumble of thunder in with that as it made its way across the Highway 83 corridor. It's about 100 miles from our area and it's still a few hours out. Let's go through it on your hour-by-hour forecast. Temperatures, awesome for all of us. Notice we have some green in eastern North Dakota as we head through the evening hours. It'll be the 7 o'clock hour or so, definitely after 6, before we have an increased chance of that main event working its way in with some locally heavy rain. It's not going to be widespread, still hit and miss. Elsewhere, out ahead of the main event, we'll have spotty showers. That includes Fargo-Moorhead. Then look at it. It falls apart as we head into the evening hours and overnight hours. So that's going to be our trend again. 60s as we go into the late evening hours, becomes 50s overnight, and we'll see some clearing from west to east as we begin our day with some patchy sun at best. As we go through the midday hours, gorgeous again. Temperatures racing into the 70s. Some energy marked here in red in the atmosphere. Watch where the thunderstorms form tomorrow. It's not out in Montana or the western Dakotas. As we go into the afternoon, we'll have a chance for some spotty showers and storms developing in our western counties. And this means an increased chance in our area, including here in Fargo and Grand Forks, of seeing some evening storms. Nothing severe, but isolated to scattered. Not all of us are going to see them. These head out to the east as we go into the early evening and overnight hours. We should clear out once again for quieter conditions on your Saturday. 57 to start in Fargo, 70 as we go through the 10 o'clock hour. Wind again, just a whispering, nothing too strong. We will hit 80 tomorrow in the FM area. Then we stay in those 70s through your evening. We will have a chance at some evening showers and storms anywhere from 4 to around 8 o'clock, and then they'll shift off to the east. Now, as we go through the weekend, the green here shows that we have that Friday night chance of storms. We just went over that. Saturday, spotty showers and storms at best, not too widespread. So Saturday looks good. Look at the winds picking up a little bit. Sunday, most of the day pretty good as we go through. We can't rule out a spotty morning shower or storm, but it's going to be very late when we'll have an increased chance of showers and storms. So Monday, the chances really increase for more widespread thunder. We'll let you know about the risk for severe. Penny, thanks for this gorgeous lake shot. Hopefully you can get out and enjoy that, or at least some barbecue. 83 in your Saturday forecast for Fargo. A few more late storms on Sunday and 84 degrees. We stay in the 80s all the way until the middle of next week with some cooler wind blowing on Wednesday. So you see a lot of thunder on the 7-day planner. It's not thundering all day every day. We'll have a lot of outdoor time, a lot of summer-like weather to contend with as well.
All right.